Before the machines of Manchester, before the factories of London, there was the gentle rhythm of Indian looms. For centuries, India clothed the world in fabrics so fine, they were described as woven air. This is the story of how the world's greatest textile empire was systematically dismantled, thread by thread. By the 1700s, Indian textiles dominated global markets. The legendary Dhaka muslin was so fine that a 50-foot length could pass through a wedding ring. Chintz, calico, and cashmere became household names across Europe. Foreign merchants traveled thousands of miles and paid fortunes in gold and silver for these prized fabrics. 1/4 of the world's textile exports came from India. But as Britain's Industrial Revolution gained momentum, these golden threads became a threat to their ambitions. In 1769, the export of British textile machinery was banned. By 1813, Parliament declared the mills of India must be closed to protect the mills of Lancashire. British factories could produce machine-made imitations at a fraction of the cost. But that wasn't enough. Indian exports to Britain faced tariffs of up to 80%, while British textiles flooded Indian markets duty-free. This wasn't competition, it was calculated destruction. By the 1830s, once famous for producing the world's finest muslin, had become synonymous with famine and poverty. Millions of skilled artisans lost their livelihoods. India transformed from the world's largest exporter of textiles to Britain's largest captive market. By 1880, India was importing 1/4 of all British cotton cloth exports. When Mahatma Gandhi chose the spinning wheel as a symbol of resistance, it wasn't just political, it was an attempt to heal an economic wound to centuries deep. Today, India's textile traditions live on, not just as craft, but as living testimony to a resilience that could not be permanently broken. The story of India's textiles reminds us that freedom isn't just political. Sometimes, it's woven into the very fabric of a nation's identity. Subscribe for more untold stories from history. Next episode: The Revolt of 1857, A Nation Rises. Thank you. Jai Hind.